Hey there, savvy shoppers. Do you love great deals and big savings? Of course you do. Well, you're in luck because today, I'm spilling the beans on how you can save big with A+I MFG promo codes. Just click the link in the description below to get your hands on some amazing discounts. All right, let's dive in. Picture this. You're scrolling through the A+Y MFG website, adding all your favorite items to your cart. You're ready to check out, but then you spot the total price. Gasp! Your bank account starts crying. But worry not, my friend. That's where these magical promo codes come in. They're like tiny superheroes, swooping in to save the day and your wallet. Here's how it works. First, click the link in the description below. It'll take you to a treasure trove of A+Y MFG promo codes. Copy the code that suits your shopping spree the best. Next, go back to your cart. You see that little box that says promo code? Paste the code right there. And boom! Watch the price drop faster than a mic at a rap battle. Need some inspiration on what to buy? A+Y MFG has everything from top-notch tools to snazzy gadgets. Trust me, they've got the goods to make your DIY dreams come true. But wait, there's more. Some of these promo codes even offer free shipping. Yes, you heard that right. You get to save money and get your goodies delivered right to your doorstep without paying a dime for shipping. It's like hitting the jackpot. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below, grab those promo codes, and start saving big with A+Y MFG. Your wallet will thank you, and you might even have enough left over for a little treat for yourself. Go ahead, you deserve it. Remember, these deals won't last forever. So, act fast and happy shopping. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Until next time, keep saving and keep smiling.